Welcome to the Valley Center High School lunch announcements. Stay tuned for the latest updates from around campus. Yearbooks are ready for pickup. If you ordered one, please head over to the VCHS office to collect yours. Join us for Movies Under the Stars, featuring the SpongeBob movie. Head to Hap McLean Park behind the community building this August 15th at sunset. Mark your calendars. Picture Day is coming up on Thursday, August 27th. Don't forget, our Valley Center High School open house is tonight, August 17th, from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Come meet your teachers and tour the building. Attention athletes, ensure your physicals are on file with the athletic department before practice begins on August 17th. Submit all paperwork throughbound. Support our teams all season long. Season passes for home events are on sale now, with options available for families, adults, and students. Join us for the Fall Sports Preview on August 27th. Featuring scrimmages and introductions across many of our sports programs at BCMS Gym and the District Stadium. Calling all actors and techies. Join us for an informational meeting regarding the fall musical. We'll meet during advisory on Tuesday, August 18th in room B02. For your reference, here is the Valley Center High School bell schedule, detailing the times for each period and our lunch breaks. An aerial view of the campus and sports facilities. Here is the lunch menu for the month of August. Please remember, our meal policy requires funds to be deposited into your account prior to purchase. Don't miss out. Order your 2027 yearbook today by visiting jostens.com. Need some extra help? After-school tutoring is available in the library every Monday and Wednesday from 3 o'clock to 4 p.m. If you see something, say something. You can submit an anonymous tip using the P3 Tips app or by visiting our school district website at usd262.net. Welcome back to Valley Center High School. We look forward to a successful year ahead. Meet our administration team, including Principal Flayton and our assistant principals, who are assigned by student last names. Our counseling department is here to support you. Reach out to your assigned counselor for academic and personal guidance. Our dedicated office staff is available to assist you with attendance, bookkeeping, athletics, and health needs. Connect with our college and career advisor, Ms. Grantham, in room A16 for support with your future planning and career exploration. Stay informed with the latest updates from around our campus. Thank you for watching these announcements. Have a great day, Hornets.